Hi there, my name is Beth Holden and I'm the coordinator for the Academic Support Center Writing Tutorial. Westchester Community College students excel when they reach out for free tutoring through the Academic Support Center tutorials. The Academic Support Center helps students become successful, confident, independent learners. Subject-specific tutors are available to help all students succeed in their courses. Students can meet via Zoom or they can email us for help with subjects like computer science, economics, English as a second language, reading, study skills, math physics, psychology, science, writing, and more. The Academic Support Center also hosts workshops and study skills in writing that help students develop skills and accomplish their goals. The Academic Support Center is open to all Westchester Community College students, whether you take classes through the Valhalla campus or extension centers in Mount Vernon, Ossining, Peekskill, Yonkers, or online. Visit www.suny.wcc.edu/apply to become a Viking and access the many opportunities available to Westchester Community College students. Or visit www.sunywcc.edu/info to meet with an admissions counselor and learn more about WCC.